Okay, so we're gonna try this again. So today we've got this whistle. Unfortunately, I needed some whistles, so I thought why not look it up on Thingiverse and see if I can print one. So I found this one here. I know it goes against what I wanted to do. It does have prints and makes and comments, but it's something that I need. So I figured, you know what, let's go ahead, let's just print it and see how well it works. We had Transport Canada come to our resort here where I work, and they required that everyone has, these life-saving devices, your life jacket, your whistle, and depending if you're on a paddleboard or a canoe, you need to have certain things on you. Honestly, with the amount of people we have coming and going, having a whistle provided every time someone comes in that someone else hasn't blown on. I'm sure, it doesn't matter. It's only in an emergency situation that they'd be actually using it in the first place. Ability to have something that is new, that no one else is blowing on, is kind of a thing, even for me. So I figured, you know what, let's give this a go. I like the only thing we would have to make is get some paracord or something and make a necklace out of these. And so what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to download this, and like I said, and then we're going to bring up Repetier host here. So now we have Repetier up. Basically what I want to do is I want to print these two out. I want to see which one is better. If one's better than the other, I will print out a bunch of the ones that are going to work the best for us. Both of the designs here are absolutely great. This one's just a reverse of the other, so it has, so if you took this, flipped it over, stuck it together, you got this one. So I'm gonna say that we're gonna go with these two. So I'm doing a 20% infill for this to start. We are gonna do a brim. You don't need any supports, but I put touching bed, but there's nothing that's gonna require it. So we're gonna slice it now. And here we go. So basically an hour and 3 minutes for two whistles. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to save this to file, and we're going to go over to Octoprint. In Octoprint now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to get this guy printed, and then we'll have a look at the prints and see how they work. So with that being said, let's get to printing. Alrighty, since I didn't do it before here, what I want to do is go ahead and say a big shout out to Scarlet _ engineering for posting this print. I know that there's a lot of prints and everything, but hey, let's have a look and see what they turned out to be. My one whistle here, and I've got my other little one here. So these are great. So these ones, I like them, but not for everyone, just size wise. This one at least gives you a bit more meat, and you're able to put some paracord through that hole and be able to tie it off fairly nicely. So to me, that's more of a winner, this one here than this one here. Now as far as do they work, well, yeah, I'm not going to blow too loud. And then this one here, I do like the sound of it. I know it might sound a little odd right now on the microphone because it's probably trying to level it out, but you know what, I think this is the winner here. I do like it. Great print, quick and easy, and it's something that won't break the bank if we have to print out 100 of them and have them for people to use. It's definitely a quick print, so hey, why not, right? Go ahead, print one of these out. They're well worth it. Nothing extra needed to be done. I just took the brim off and it was good to go. There was no cleanup, no issues with the print settings that were provided on there. So as you can see the gap on the sides there, and that's what's giving you your whistle sound. So print yours out today, and always make sure you have one. Backpacking, canoeing, boating, whatever, anything. This little device, as quick and cheap as it is to print, might come in handy. And if you are doing it for water, the reason why they want this style is because they're ballless. The ball doesn't get stuck inside and prevent it from making its sound. So always go with a ballless whistle, then you're good for all scenarios. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and we will see you on the next print.